World Art Day transcends a mere date on our calendars. It embodies a festivity of the human spirit and its infinite capability for creativity and self-expression. This day offers a moment for communities around the globe to pause and contemplate the art's role and significance in our daily lives. Art holds a pivotal position in society, acting as a reflection of our values, beliefs, and inner feelings. Through different forms of art, people are able to share ideas, stimulate thought, and invoke deep emotions. From the primitive drawings found in caves to the advanced digital art of today, creativity has been a constant method of communication and expression across the ages. Celebrated on April 15, World Art Day pays tribute to Leonardo da Vinci's enduring legacy, a testament to his inventive brilliance that continues to influence many. Da Vinci was not just renowned for his paintings but was also a forward-thinking inventor who contributed significantly to the disciplines of science, engineering, and anatomy. His capacity to blend artistic and scientific insights highlights the synergy between creativity and human intellect. World Art Day reminds us of art's ability to bridge gaps across cultures and languages, cultivating understanding and empathy amongst diverse communities. Art encourages us to view the world from different angles, pushing us to question our preconceptions and broaden our viewpoints. The day is marked by various activities such as exhibitions, workshops, performances, and more, providing chances for everyone to interact with art in a deep and meaningful manner. It prompts active involvement and discussion, enabling individuals to explore their creative sides and appreciate the essence of artistic endeavors. In addition, World Art Day shines a light on the critical need to support artists and the artistic community. It recognizes the crucial contribution of artists in enhancing our culture and shaping our collective consciousness. By celebrating art on a worldwide scale, World Art Day underscores the importance of creativity as a catalyst for societal progress. At its core, World Art Day celebrates the capacity of human imagination to motivate, elevate, and unite us. It's a day for acknowledging art's profound influence on our existence and to reaffirm our dedication to fostering creativity in all its myriad forms. Thus, regardless if you are an artist, an aficionado of art, or simply someone who admires beauty and innovation, World Art Day invites you to participate in the celebration and embrace the transformative essence of art.